MBTA cases. Cases against the MBTA, trains, buses, cars. Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I've been asked to give a brief presentation about cases against the MBTA. So there's three basic areas, the trains, the buses, and their regular motor vehicles. We've been representing victims of MBTA negligence for decades. My partner, Roshan Jain, was with a firm in California where they actually defended local MBTA, their local Northern California Transit Authority, buses and trains. It's complicated and it can be expensive, and the law protects them. So let's just go into the three areas. The trains. The trains, people get injured getting on them, getting off them, inside them, and at crossings. Most of the time, these are not good cases because the T is mostly safe. The engineers who drive the trains, the systems that work the trains, and the conductors that work on the trains generally have a pretty good safety record. However, there are times when people are injured, and people are injured badly, including wrongful death cases. If you've been injured in a case regarding the commuter rail or any of the trains run by the T, give us a call. We have the experience. Buses and cars are more like a regular motor vehicle type case. However, in all cases against the T, there's what's called Chapter 158. That's a general law which protects Massachusetts entities, such as states, such as towns, such as the MBTA. You have to give formal notice. You have to go through a set process. There's a 2-year statute of limitations on the notice. Then there's a time period where the notice has to sit with the MBTA. They have 6 months to either respond or not respond, and you can't file suit until that time. This affects the 3-year statute of limitations, so it can be complicated. You should get a lawyer. But in cases with buses and cars, the law is much more like regular motor vehicle law in Massachusetts, negligence, general negligence. However, again, because of Chapter 258, and because the T does not have an insurance company that covers them, they defend the cases themselves. They've got a huge legal department. They tend to deny all claims. They tend to make you go to trial. I've won trials against the T. I've won appeals against the T. But it is complicated because of Chapter 258 and because of the way the T is set up. It is not set up as an insurance company. So if you've been injured by a MBTA train, bus, motor vehicle, give us a call. We have the experience. Call Burns and Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.